Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be talking about the post by Sawyer. As you can see here, he has listed everything about the Cybertruck, the long-range rear-wheel drive, and versus the long-range all-wheel drive trim. And let's see if the cheaper price and with some of the stuff that we're giving up, is it worth it? So the first bullet point we got here is no HEPA filter, no air suspension, no rear light bar, standard bed with no tonneau cover included. I think you can pay, upgradable to $750 if we're willing to pay. This soft cover increases range to 363 from 350. And textile seats versus vegan leather on the all-wheel trim. Headlights without the signature lamps, standard bed lamps versus the premium lights on the all-wheel drive, no L-track in the bed, no 220 volt and 240 volt outlet in the bed. So this option you cannot do you cannot use your truck to power your house in this case. No 220 outlets in the cabin, no heated rear seats, and no ventilated front seats. That sucks. That should have been standard. Standard center console with no second row screen. Okay, take it away. But that one, it's an easy to install. No problem. Probably take 20 minutes. There's a whole bunch of aftermarkets that you can buy. 7 speaker audio versus 15 speakers on the all-wheel drive. That's a big difference. No active noise cancellations. No mechanical front locking differential due to only single motor. And lower 2,700 pounds payload versus 2,500 on the all-wheel drive trim, and lower 7,500 total capacity versus 11,000 on the all-wheel drive. And the Cybertruck all-wheel drive delivery began in June. So if we're actually gonna hop over to the Tesla website and to see if it's updated and to see if it's true. So this is the Tesla website here. You can see here starting at $62,490, assuming that you qualify for the 7,500 Federal Tax Credit. So let's go ahead and hit order now. And let's see. Here it is. And they give you just like any other test, I give you the range. This one expected is 350. And again, the 350 miles is in a laboratory environment. You're not going uphill. You're not towing anything. You're not using your AC. You're not playing your music or anything that drains battery will cause the range to be significantly less, right? So yeah, that's 350. But I think honestly you might get probably maybe 290, 280. Total capacity. This is 7,500 and 0 to 60. This one is like 6.2 seconds. It's slower than the Tesla Model Y 4.8, and the price is $62,490. If you like the all-wheel drive, spend $10,000 more. And if you want to go crazy with the beast, you spend another how much is that? 27,000, and you get the Cyber Beast. Right, and like usual, it does show you that it includes 7,500 tax credit. And it tells you a little bit more. You can upgrade to the soft tunnel for $750, and then towing package here tells you, and you get standard wheel, or you're gonna upgrade to $3,500. And full self driving is $8,000. Then all the other accessories that you can buy if you don't already have them, right? I don't know how they're going to do with the power share if there's no outlet on the back for 240. Not sure about that one. But yeah, and here more accessories that you can add it with this one. And as expected, if you buy now, you're most likely going to get it somewhere in June or July. And the total price, let's go, I'm blocking that right here. Let's move myself away from there. Right, now you can see it. The long range Cybertruck long range 62,000 standard wheel included, tow package included. Pretty much they included everything. And the vehicle price is $69,990. Destination fee is almost $2,000. And then order fee $250. Everything all together comes to about $72,235 minus the $75 tax credit. You ended up with almost $65,000. Let's see if you were to explore the financing part. Sometime, you know, you want to know. So if you put $5,000 down, and assuming you want to go with 84 months, and with the current APR is 6.49, you're looking at the monthly payment of $885, and due assigning is $5,000. So let's see if there's, you can't change that. Let's say if you can do zero payment, $0 down payment. If you do $0 down payment, okay, and then it comes up to be $960 a month. But maybe 60 months, 84 months is kind of long. So if you go with the 60 months, $1,234. $1,200. Wow, it's quite a lot bit. Yeah, but is it worth it for you compared with all the price wise? Because right now let's check on the inventory real quick and see if they have any. The last time I checked, they do have it. So what happened? I thought I checked on the inventory. There we go. Collecting Cybertruck for some reason. Alright, so Cybertruck here. The first one we see is like the all-wheel drive, and this one's $70,180. It's a reduced. It's a demo vehicle. It has 2,400 miles on it. All the top three, they're all demo vehicles, except for this one. This is just a new one, 72,400. And if you get a 2024, the discount is going to be more. It's like this one, like $6,230, $5,900. Let's see what's the most discount we can see on here. 63, right? 6,300, 6,100 down here. I think 63 would be the highest one. 63 here. See if they have any Cyber Beast left. They do not. Oh, maybe they do. Who knows? Let's go. Oh, let's go all the way down. Cyber Beast. 6,600. Even though this is a demo, why so much? This is a... Yeah, why so much? 79,000, 79,000. That's it. There's no Cyber Beast. The Cyber Beast is gone. So, but yeah, they do have inventory overdrive here. Right, so I don't know. What do you guys think? Is it worth it with all the what you're not getting compared to the price? I don't know. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. Don't forget to use my referral code up to $2,000 savings. So once again, thank you for watching. Be safe. Till next time.